हाय एवरीवन, स्वागत आप सबका आज के हमारे इस सेशन में. Today we'll talk about a course which is being offered by Iim Ahemdabad specifically for cost accountants. Yes, it is a correct news. The course is starting on 5th of February. The course will run for 1 month only. It is an online course. You need not to travel to Ahmedabad. You will be remaining at your home at the comfort zone of your places. You can join this course, and I'm not advertising this course. I am just communicating about this course to you all people. Whosoever is interested can join this course. I will show you the details which has been published in the CMA journal of January 2021 session, right? In January 2021 journal of Cost Accountant Institute, we call it Management Accountant. In the Management Accountant journal, it has been advertised by Iim Ahemdabad, so we all cost accountants can take benefit of this course in case we wish to. People who are still doing preparations for their June 21 session can also join this course. It is not only for the qualified cost accountants, but I would advise this course to be done only by the qualified cost accountants, because if you are studying for cost and management accounting, if you are still a student in CMA, you should ideally complete your CMA first and then do this advanced learning course. And people who have appeared for their both the groups can do this course. They will get advantage out of it. So I'll show you this. एक बारी इसको देख लेते हैं पहले, उसके बाद I'll move further. हाँ जी दोस्तों, see, this is Iim Ahemdabad, Indian Institute of Ahmedabad, Management Ahmedabad, Strategic Cost Management online course है ये. They say in these challenging business times, managing cost and aligning it with the right business strategy is extremely crucial. What happens when a business does it successfully? These are the program highlights. Relevant cost for different decision making situations. You will see activity based costing and management and customer profitability analysis. Profit centers, SBU, issue related to transfer pricing and profitability, budgeting. Performance evaluation, of course, we should have this. Strategic variance analysis, role of costing in managing organizational performance. For program brochure and any other queries, please get in touch with the program coordinator, Miss Shaili Patel. And it is her email ID, shaili.xcd@ima.ac.in. So it is her official email ID from Iim Ahemdabad itself. These are the two phone numbers that we have. This one, I think 079 is the STD code. So this has been published in the CMA journal. So please take advantage of this. And there are several courses which I'll be discussing day by day for you people. There are courses which are relevant for intermediate people. There are courses which are relevant for final people. And along with these courses, as I said earlier, we will be launching courses on practical training on GST, income tax, MCA very soon. We'll be announcing every initiative, all our initiative that we are bringing for you in this January month itself. You all have seen that Raghav Academy is always working hard and smart to give you what you actually need at this point of your career. If you're a student, we'll give you notes, we'll give you video lectures, we'll give you training, coaching, everything. And if you are an aspiring cost accountant, you are a budding cost accountant, if you are in finals and you must have knowledge of Excel, you must have knowledge of return filing, you must have knowledge of basic computer and internet skills. Although we all have the basic skills, but the tricks and tactics that we need in the computer is something that we all may not know about it, right? So we'll be launching these practical seminars and sessions very soon. We will have both kind of sessions. The standalone session, suppose we are keeping just one session on filing of GST annual return, so that will be a standalone session. People joining in one session, completing the entire annual return in just one session, and they can go back and do their practice. And we'll also be launching a series of specific course at different levels, beginner, advanced and expert, wherein we'll be giving you complete knowledge from scratch, starting from the scratch till the expert level. We'll give you all the information, so it will work like a course wise. We'll be announcing it very soon, right? In the coming weeks, you will be getting to know about every aspect that we are launching now. And I must tell you that as the exams are over, capsule tab is now not available on Raghav Academy's website. So if you are willing to buy capsules for June 21 session, let us wait. that capsule button will get reactivated very soon after a month or so. But if you want to have capsules right now, you please dial to Raghav Academy. They'll facilitate you with the capsules, right? So now I open for answering your queries. Please do. अब आपकी बात करते हैं जो आप कहना चाहते हैं. Good evening, Priyam. Good evening, Vivek. Priyam, I think you called me today, right? I missed your call. I'll be calling you. Good evening, Vivek. Good evening, Vandana ji. Subhu Vemla, good evening. Vivek, yes, I'll just write down my number to you. 78400054612. This is my number. Good evening, Sanjeev. Good evening, Deepak. Rupak. आपके लाइव क्लासेस का डिटेल्स कब तक आएगा? इन द कमिंग वीक इटसेल्फ, रूपक, विल बी अनाउंसिंग फ्रॉम फाउंडेशन टू फाइनल. ऑल 20 सब्जेक्ट्स विल बी taught live at Raghav Academy. Sachin Vijay is asking for some earning ideas during CMA course. What we can do? Sachin, once you are done with the trainings on practical sessions like GST, income tax, MCA, you can earn out of it. Suppose somebody is looking for filing of income tax return or for the GST, you can have a part-time practice of your own. You can work in that zone also. Samriddhi expected result dated somewhere around 31st of January. We all are waiting. That result should come on that date, but it's probable yet. It has not been announced with conformity. Mrinal Jogle, are they charging for this course? Yes, they are charging for this course. Of course, the IIM faculty would be teaching you, so it incur cost for them also. So they'll be taking. Yogi, after Indian CMA complete, USA CMA is beneficial. I would advise Yogi to go for SEMA London first. Before going to USA CMA, you should go for SEMA London, United Kingdom. Good evening, Devi Prabhat. Result will come too late. It's not late, Whiterick. If the result is there in January itself, it will be a historic event wherein both the examination and results are coming in the same month. Generally, it takes 2 good months to come. Priyam, shall I call you back after the session? Will that be okay? No, Priyam. I am constrained to have some other commitment. I'll be calling you tomorrow morning. Rajesh, hi, hope your final DT paper. I attempted question number 4 and 5, 32 marks each. Didn't attempt question number 6, 16 marks due to shortage of time. How you will get the marks in these questions? Rajesh, that is something institute can answer. I am in touch with people because I also received queries yesterday who said that instead of choose between 4th and 5th and they left question number 6. So if the institute will take best of 4 and 5, they will be losing 16 marks in the entire paper. So I am in touch with these people from the institute itself. They will be guiding me and I will guide you in turn. Let me get input from the institute authorities and then I'll brief you about it. Deepak, result तो फेब में ही आएगा reschedule exam के बाद. Deepak, there could be 2 results. We can have 2 results, one for the main attempt and then for the reschedule one. Priyam, June 21 के लिए capsules available रहेंगी. Yes, of course, Priyam, we'll be launching the new series of capsules. Suppose there are changes or there are improvements or there are modifications, because we all must agree that improvement is a never-ending process. We all have heard about Kaizen, the Japanese technique of doing improvement, little improvement every day. So when we watch our own videos, we find that this particular point could have been explained better in that manner. So we do change our videos, we do change our content, we do make it dynamic. We don't record in just one day and we keep it on selling the whole year. No, our teachers, our faculties work hard every day. We do record new things also. So you will be getting capsules. If there is no change and the faculty also think that there is no need to have any changes, we'll be placing the same video as we did for December session, for January session. But if yes, the teacher thinks that improvements are needed, he'll be doing improvements and then we'll be launching it again after a month or so. Manikant Mishra has deleted GST course fees. Vivek, I'll be giving you information very soon about the schedule, about the faculty, about his experience, the coverage of the content of the course, the levels of the course, and of course the fees. But I can promise you on one thing, that the quality of the course would be marvelous. World class, best training would be there from the practicing chartered accountants, practicing cost accountant, and practicing company secretaries. There would be no faculty who is himself not in practice. So we'll be having coaches from the industry. of course they'll be charging us and we'll be charging you, but that would be at a reasonable level. We'll not be earning high just because of this particular venture. We want a population, if they qualify from us by reading books, they should also have practical knowledge, right? We want to build a community of cost accountants who have great knowledge about practical things. So this is, I'm not saying that we are doing CSR by giving practical training, but I'm also saying that we'll not be doing any profiteering when we are selling these courses. We'll be taking a reasonable amount by which we can pay to the coaches who will be coming to teach you. We can pay for the infrastructure that we'll be using for the live lectures, for the sessions. We will be charging you for little profitability so that we can earn revenues for our own break-even also, right? So it will be quite reasonable. Sachin, don't need to do any other course. Yes, Sachin, there's no, as such, there's no need to do any other course, but if yes, there are various short-term certificate courses which you can do. वाई ट्रैक, जिनको एडमिट कार्ड नहीं मिला उनका एग्जाम फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी में लिया जाएगा, उसके बाद रीस्केड्यूल एग्जाम में टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस हुए तो री एग्जाम फॉर ऑल टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस टुगेदर, उसके बाद रिजल्ट्स. लेट अस वेट फॉर द स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट, दे विल बी अनाउंसिंग इट सून. गुड इवनिंग नमन, नो सर रिजल्ट वेब में ही आएगा. Even then it's okay, let us wait. White Reg is saying Papan sir said yesterday. Okay, I didn't watch his session. I'll be doing it today. Okay, Priyam. Now I got it. Ravindra, Sandhu. Good evening. When will be uploaded question paper of CM exam Jan 21? I don't think so that they'll be launching and uploading the question paper on CMA website, because whenever CMA exam take place from in foundation level, the online, they don't publish the question paper. Shivam, when opt-out students can give their exams, they will be announcing it soon. Priyam, shall I do any income tax and GST practitioner course as I want to learn return filings? Priyam, you can if you want to, because I'm saying that Raghav Academy will also launch this practical training session online. सर अभी रिजल्ट के लिए टेंशन हो रहा है. अब क्या रिजल्ट के लिए टेंशन हो रहा है, अब तो सब खत्म, पेपर हो गया. हाय यशवंत, हाउ आर यू, कैसा है? व्हाट अबाउट ट्रेनिंग? यशवंत, ट्रेनिंग you can do, no problem in that. You can join either a cost accountant firm or an organization as per your choice. Good evening Krishna, which subject you teaching in fine? Vivek, I teach law and indirect taxation. Paper number 11 law, paper number 13 law, and paper number 18 indirect taxation. Subbu Vamila, which course is best, SAP S4 HANA or CMA? You can't compare. CMA is a technical degree wherein you get statutory certification power, and SAP is something that you have technical certification. White Reg is saying 15 के बाद notification आएगा. Okay, Akshat, group 3 की study अभी start करें result के बाद. Akshat, of course you should start right now, because practical subjects don't change. If anything wrong happens, although I know, I'm very much sure that there would be no wrong with you, but in case something happens 1%, even then the costing, the FM, financial reporting do not change much, right? We can at least say that FR changes a bit, but cost FM are not going to change, right? So you can take tuitions of costing and FM in, even if you do not want to take coachings, at least you can continue doing your self-study for costing and financial management. SCM and SFM I'm talking about, they do not change at all, irrespective of the attempt, amendments, whatever happens, costing and FM remains same, right? So you can start practicing for that. Abhishek, expected date of result. All are saying in Feb, so it might be in Feb itself. रविंद्र, गुड इवनिंग. मैंने अभी फाइनल का एग्जाम दिया है, तो अब मुझे कुछ क्या करना चाहिए? जॉब सर्च करना चाहिए, रिजल्ट का वेट. मेरे पास 1.5 years का एक्सपीरियंस है इन कॉर्पोरेट एंड 6 months इन CMA फॉर्म. रविंद्र, if you have good amount of experience, so you can search for the job, because if you're sure that you will be clearing your CMA, and whenever the result come, you should sit in the placement, and then you will be having a good leap. So you need not to wait for your result, because 2 months will be wasted by then. Vivek, price of subject, I'll be announcing it. मैं भी बढ़िया. यशवंत, you can meet any day. Just send me a WhatsApp. I'll be telling you when I'm coming. Although I come daily, but timings change. Is it beneficial to do articleship or job if we have experience? Yes, it's beneficial to do job itself, because you will be having practical exposure, as you already have the basic employer environment. You have knowledge about that. Priyam, वो session एक बार हो सके तो पहले, it is request from my side, I can share the link over here. What is this 1.07.00? DT paper is exactly first online mock test paper, that is December 19 paper. Okay, Akshat, आपका बैच कब से स्टार्ट होगा ग्रुप 3 का? अक्षत, I'll be announcing it in this week itself. I'll be announcing both the live sessions, but recorded classes are also available if you want to buy. I have experience in account. Can I take exemption from training? No, it's not about experience in in accounting or in finance. It is about you must have the proper documented certificate of experience, then you can get exemption. Krishna, Vivek is saying I'm giving group 2, I'm giving third group when? If you're giving group 2 in June, then you'll be giving group 3 in June 2022. CMA फाइनल के टैक्स के पेपर में रफ पेपर में से देख के टाइप कर रहा था, मेरे सिस्टम में मैसेज आया कि अपना रफ नोट शो करिए, मैंने सारा नोट दिखा दिया था, कोई प्रॉब्लम? नो कृष्णा, देयर वुड बी नो प्रॉब्लम. हाय शादाब, हाउ आर यू? इंडायरेक्ट टैक्स का मटेरियल अपडेट है इंस्टीट्यूट की वेबसाइट पे, अभी अपडेट होगा? अभी अपडेट होगा, बट जो भी है उसको पढ़ लो आप, जो भी चेंजेस आएंगे वो इनकॉर्पोरेट बाद में हो जाएंगे. Jay Krishnan, is there any chance of getting the question and answer of CMA inter both group of December 20 so that we may be able to analyze our marks? No, I don't think so that it will be available. Manav, rank list exam result के साथ आती है. Yes, Manav. The very day you get the result, the same day you get the rank list. Sir, actually timestamp it is 1.5 hour long session. When will be the result? Ramesh Goda Rami, I had work experience but I'm not working now. I'm fired due to loss faced by good corona. No problem, Ramesh. If you have documented experience of past period, even that will help you in getting exemption. Yes, it will be considered, Ramesh. आज के टाइम में कोई भी CA या CMA अच्छे से काम सिखाता नहीं, क्या करना चाहिए? It is not like that, Krishna. They do give a good amount of explanations to people. I've been there in articleship period. My principal was very kind to me. He taught me all the practical things, and if you don't find the practical training scope anywhere, you should always remember that Raghav Academy is right here. We'll be giving you training sessions at a very nominal cost. You will be learning a lot at a no cost or a very low cost. Group 2, which subject we should take classes? It's your choice. Some people love theory, they do it themselves. Some people love practical, they do it themselves. Some people want discipline in their life, so they don't do self-study, they take tuition. So it is up to you. Shadab, thank you. और आपकी बुक कहाँ मिलेगी इंडायरेक्ट टैक्स की? Shadab, it is there on raghavacademy.com. raghavacademy.com पे जाना है. raghavacademy.com and normal प्यारा सा नाम है raghavacademy.com. There on download section you will get all my material there. Handwritten notes, question answer book, FTP, custom, everything is there. Jai Krishnan, are you taking all subjects for CMA final? Not me individually, but yes, Raghav Academy has faculties for all the subjects. We are teaching from foundation to final all the subjects together at one place. Please visit raghavacademy.com. You will come to know about all the faculties that we have in the panel. What is the time period of training? 1.5 years. Krishna, आपने कहाँ से और किसके अंडर ट्रेनिंग की थी? Krishna, I got an opportunity to work with Thakur Vedanath Iyer and Company, Chartered Accountants. It is at ITO New Delhi. रविंद्र पटेल, सर फिर मुझे जॉब सर्च करना चाहिए CMA फर्म में या कॉर्पोरेट में? CMA फर्म में रविंद्र. SAP कोर्स फाइनल वाले के लिए फ्री क्यों नहीं है? दीपक, the coaches have to be paid, the infrastructure incurs a cost, the internet has a cost. Why do we expect everything to come free, right? Life is not a free sandwich. Did you provide us any training? We will give you practical training. If you want to enroll in that, we'll be launching it soon. I've enrolled for CMA course in June 29th, and before giving my finals I have to do 6-month training. Yes. For group 4 it is compulsory, for group 3 it is not. Hi Nikhil, Facebook पर मैंने अभी देखा, you are here. Vivek, please reply my question. What was your question? When I group 3 exam, if you clear your CMA intermediate in this January session, whenever we do the result, your final attempt will not be in June, your final attempt will be in December 21. Hi Vijay. Vitrek, do you take individual subjects if someone want to take two subjects only from you? Yes, Vitrek, of course. People buy individual subjects. Suppose somebody has bought three subjects of a group from some coaching and he wants to buy the fourth one from us. We sell. Both the individual options and the group wise options are available. The only benefit in buying a group is that you get heavy discount when you buy all the four subjects together, and when you buy one individual subject, the price is upfront, whatever is displayed on the website. Rajesh, I have 15 years experience in accounting firm. In accounting and taxation, is there any need to join CMA firm? No, then there's no need to join CMA firm. No problem. Just wait for the result. You will be placed. Krishna Kumar Gupta, again that's an individual specific question. People who want quick money just after clearing the CMA should join job, of course, and people who can give time, who have no such difficulty that they are waiting for money quite badly, they should not go for practice. Practice needs patience, both in terms of the feelings and both in terms of the pocket. CMA final MCQ for all subjects in third group. Can you please inform whether to attend both groups or one group for CMA final in June 21? You should attend for both the groups, of course. मानव is asking result में इतना time क्यों लग रहा है जब पेपर ऑनलाइन करा लिए तो? कोई नहीं भाई, कोई नहीं. Vijay is asking for cost accountant firm in Lakshmi Nagar. I'll be furnishing you all the details. Please wait. Manav, let them do their own work. They must be checking everything. They must be evaluating your result. They must be reading their subjective answers. So it does take time. Let them, take their own time. So fine, friends. I'm closing the session for the day. I'll be meeting tomorrow 7 p.m. In the evening session. Whatever you want to ask now, please keep it for tomorrow. Please subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. Yes, next exam June में होंगे. Fine. Thank you so much guys. God bless you.